Hello and welcome back to the video of handy gifts. A few days ago, I had put up a story on Insta regarding the courier I got. In today's video, you'll see what was inside that and why it was special for me. So, without wasting time, let's begin. So, here is our parcel. Let's see what it is. It is from Crafter's Corner. So, obviously, it is something related to craft. So, let's open it now. Finally, we opened it. Now, let's see what is inside. Should I open or not? Okay, so let's open in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. What's inside? Let's see. So what do we have here? Okay, they have given a transfer sheet along with this. This is a complimentary. Thank you, Crafter's Corner. So let's open this. So here's the transfer sheet, and along with that there's an instruction sheet on how to use the transfer design. This is the instruction sheet. You can pause and read it if you want. Let's keep this inside now. So as you can see, they've given 2 Alpenliebe chocolates as well. So now let's open the main part. What's inside? This is the invoice. I won't be showing that, so it's better we keep it aside. Let's keep it aside. And this, what is this here? You'll get to know soon. Before this, let me show the main product which I've ordered, so I won't tell what this is. So let's keep this aside as well. And here you go, our main product, that is a mini die cutting and embossing machine, which you can see already. So I ordered this from Crafter's Corner, and thank you, Crafter's Corner, for this. Let's open it. Okay. Oh, I have a handle. How stupid of me. Let's open this. Come on, come on, come out. Yes. So I'm very excited to open this. I'm so happy. After a long time, I could order this from my own earning. That is my savings. So let's see our product. This is the instruction paper. I think that they've written the features, and they've written, wow, you have a great taste. Nice. So you can pause and read the whole thing. Let's keep this aside now. Now coming to the main product, that's our die cutting machine. This is a die which came along with that, and previously which I showed was another die which I ordered along with that. So there are 2 die sets which I have now. Now very excited. This is the operating manual, so let's keep it aside. Here is our main thing of this video. That is our die cutting machine along with the two plates which they give. Here are the two plates. You can use this. You have to use this while using the machine. So let's open up the machine now. I'm so damn excited. Here you go. It's heavy, but it's not that much. But yes, it is heavy. So let's keep it. I don't want to make it fall or something. So let's be very careful. Okay, the lighting is not so good. I'm sorry. So let's open it now. This is one side and the other side. Oh my god, I'm so damn happy to use it. I can't wait. So let's close it. I don't want it to get spoiled. And yes, this is the side panel which you have to use while cutting the papers. And yes, this is from Dress My Craft, that is Crafters Corner. Thank you, Crafters Corners, for this. I'm so damn happy. Can't wait to use it.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.